Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy Dota 2 items on the Steam market. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to browse and purchase items from the community marketplace. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see several menu options there. Hover your mouse over the one that says Community. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various community features. From this drop-down, click on Market. This is Steam's official marketplace where players can buy and sell in-game items from different games. Once the market page loads, scroll down and look at the right panel of the screen. You'll notice a list of popular games whose items are available for purchase. Click on Dota 2 from this list. This will filter the marketplace to show only Dota 2 items, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for instead of browsing through items from all Steam games. Now you can browse through the available Dota 2 items. The marketplace displays various items including skins, cosmetics, and other in-game content. Take your time to look through the results and find the specific item you want to buy. You can use the search bar or filters to narrow down your options if you're looking for something particular. When you find an item that catches your eye, click on it to open its detailed page. This page is really useful because it shows you the current price, the item's price history over time, and how many are available on the market. The price history graph helps you understand if you're getting a good deal or if prices have been fluctuating recently. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're ready to make the purchase, click the Buy button on the right side of your chosen listing. This button is usually green and clearly visible next to the item's price. Clicking it will initiate the purchase process. If you don't have enough funds in your Steam wallet, the system will prompt you to add money. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to add funds using your preferred payment method. Steam supports various payment options including credit cards, PayPal, and other regional payment methods. Once you've added the necessary funds, the purchase will be completed automatically. And that's it, you've successfully purchased a Dota 2 item from the Steam market, and it should now appear in your Dota 2 inventory. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.